The future of rail freight transport in Europe is called Hermes. In ancient Greece, Hermes was the messenger of gods. Today, Hermes is the name of a research and development project that aims to increase the global performance of rail freight services for bulk materials, increase the productivity and competitiveness of this transport mode, and reduce the cost of rail logistics services. The project has received €6.7 million funding from the European Commission's Horizon 2020 Work Programme 2014-2015, Smart, Green and Integrated Transport. The project is coordinated and led by ICL Iber Potash. This project will improve salt and potash transport from the centre of Catalonia to the port of Barcelona, and from there to the rest of the world. In addition, the project aims to improve further integration with other means of intermodal transport and define the optimal combination of business, operational and technological solutions to address rail freight challenges.
This project is developing the future wagon for transport of multi-materials in Europe. The wagon will have the highest payload, the highest flexibility, and will enable the fastest and smartest logistics service. It's now 1 year that we start with the project, and we plan to finish in May 2018. During this year, we have worked and we have finished the design of the wagon of it and its unloading station. We have also worked with all the tasks that deliver input to this design. We will start soon manufacturing the wagon and the unloading station.
Hermes is an ambitious project that counts on the participation of 9 European partners from 4 different countries: Sweden, Denmark, France and Spain. The demonstration wagon is being manufactured by the Swedish company KIRUNA Wagon, which specializes in the design and production of mineral transport wagons. Completion of the wagon and the unloading station is expected by 2017.
I'm standing in front of a brand new side dumper wagon, just about to be delivered to Boliden. It hasn't even been striped with their logo yet. Just now, this wagon type is really special to us, since it's the key technology we are using in developing a brand new type of bulk logistic wagon for Europe and Iber Potash in Spain in the H2020 project.
Other partners in the project include Swedish steel producer SSAB, Swedish Steel AB, and the Danish company HEMPEL, specializing in paints and coatings. The Luleå University of Technology in Sweden is developing actions that will improve the logistic operations of dry bulks transport. The University of ARMINES in France works on the development of new composite materials with natural fibers that will further reduce the weight of future wagons. The public company Ferrocarrils de la Generalitat, FGC, is responsible for performing the homologation tests of the new wagon, as well as to detect the required modifications on the current infrastructures to allow the use of this new wagon. The Technological Center of Manresa, CTM, is carrying out research on new high-strength steels, composite materials and joining techniques to reduce the weight of future wagons. And the engineering company, IDP, is responsible for designing the loading station, the integrated wagon washing system and the dust control system, as well as developing the new information software that will communicate among the different infrastructures involved in the logistics operations and the wagon. The new Hermes wagon has a new design to enable fast loading and unloading speeds, as well as reduction of dwell times by 50%. Improves the flexibility and interoperability of rail freight transport. A 30% to 50% increase in load capacity. A 25% to 30% reduction in weight. A smart integration automation and information technology software that will enable to monitor and control all logistic operations and maintenance programs. Increased reliability and productivity of rail freight transport, contributing to improve its attractiveness, efficiency and performance. This project is the result of scientific and technological research carried out by a highly motivated professional team. The new Hermes rail freight transport wagon is flexible, intermodal, and efficient.